Hey guys, it's my genius. So today we're gonna be talking about some plant hormones, and I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this because this is one of the most intriguing things to me. I feel like in plants, among some other things. But let's get into it. Okay, so what we're talking about is we're gonna be talking about auxin today, right? But what we're gonna be going into the topics of phototropism and gravitropism, more so phototropism, right? So gravitropism is or gravitropic is growing towards the gravity or going down. So like gravitropic would be going down. And that's the principle that roots follow. So they go down towards the light, right? They're gravitropic. But with the stems, they're phototropic or they go towards the light or go up, right? So the shoot goes up and the roots go down, right? So now the hormone that's influencing that growth is called auxin, along with some other hormones. This is one of the main one, right? And this is kind of indicated by like this orange coloration on it. So what auxin is it elongates cells and also helps with cell replication, and it grows towards light, right? Or the more so the hormones will respond to light and they'll concentrate in the areas to make the plant grow towards light, right? So with this, when plants grow normally and the light is coming from above, they'll grow up, and the auxin chemical or hormone will be um, concentrated on both sides of the plant. So that means that the plant is growing equally up, right? It's going equally this way. It's on the same time. So it's like, I guess like we can say 50-50 or 100-100. So it's going up together at the same time to get to the light, right? But and you'll notice that like when you look at your plants, like when they have enough light coming above, it'll go up towards and focus towards that light because the light's up, right? But let's say that your plant is in a place that's like light deficient, then it'll be kind of like this. And what will happen is the auxin will concentrate more on whatever side it can to like make the plant grow in a direction of the light source, right? So like normally, it'd be growing up, the auxin's concentrated on both sides. But on this side, it's concentrated on the left side, so the plant can go to the right. And then, if the light was on this side, it would be concentrated on the right, so the plant can go to the left, right? I think it's just the most interesting thing. Like the plants have hormones to like kind of like see where the light is kind of like touching them. And then they'll like move from this space because they know the light is there. And then they'll put over here. So like, let's go to the right, like it's very interesting. And, yeah, that's kind of the whole thing with auxin. But also, auxin is one of the hormones. Like when people like try to manufacture like rooting hormones, this is one of the hormones that help with rooting. It's also kind of interesting too that in roots, also like auxin, it will be concentrated in the opposite way. So let's say like the roots are trying to like go down, right? So auxin won't grow on the side that's concentrated, but actually will go in the direction of the side that isn't concentrated. So how the plant is going in the direction of where the concentration is going, so like it's concentrated on the left, so it's going to the right. When it's concentrated on the right, it goes to the right. If that makes sense, kind of like it's going, it's going towards the direction that's like opposite of the concentration in a sense, or going to the direction that doesn't have the concentration. Pretty much, it's interesting, but not to get into deep into that. But this is kind of like how auxin works. So when you see your plant growing, this is the hormone that's influencing them to grow towards the light and grow up, and they're directing them to kind of grow in that direction. So if you see your plant leaning towards light, it's that hormone and a couple others, but that hormone specifically that's influencing them to grow that way, and that's kind of what auxin does. So I thank you guys for watching this little phototropism little diagram, and remember, I may be a plant genius, but you can be a plant genius too. Thank you for watching, and peace.